These are dangerous days. The newer mutant strain of the novel coronavirus is become so efficient and ruthless. It is highly infective. It is from the original strain, it has become 1,000 times more infectious. How does the virus enter the human body? Only three routes. Number one, through the eyes, through the conjunctiva. Number two, through the nose. Number three, through the mouth. Absolutely ensure that these three portals of entry are covered to a large extent one can expect to remain safe. Let us see how you can do that. Use a full face thick cotton mask. There is now a term for it called F96. It might be different for different, but this is the one that you need to use to cover your full face from the root of your nose to the lower part of your chin, from one ear to the other. Absolutely cover the nose and mouth. Thick cotton cloth. Number two, it enters through the eyes. Protect your eyes. How? Use a transparent face shield, which is also just emerging in the market. This is the one that is looks quite good enough, completely protects your face. You can wear it like a glasses, and you can use your normal glasses as well. Look at that. Now these two, if used in combination, because instead of waiting for a fever, temperature, cold, nose block, loss of smell or taste, to all that to happen, protect yourself, completely cover the portals of entry. To a large extent you can remain safe. Every day is a gift. Block the portals of entry. Wear a face shield as well as cover completely the nose and throat. For example, let the mask be from the root of the nose to the lower part of the chin, from one ear to the other. Even if a corona positive patient sneezes or coughs close by, there is no way that this can overcome the sides of the mask and enter. To a large extent, you are protected. Use a full transparent face shield. This wonderful glasses which are coming. If it is worn over, you can even use your glasses. It can completely protect the eyes and lower face. Use both together. As long as wherever you are vulnerable, to a large extent, you will be safe. God bless. God bless.